we're gonna say you don't have to worry about it much. So keep applying. Hi, it's JT, and this is my MAC lip combo. Let me teach you how to do this, okay? First, I use a Lip Glazer and Açai. First, you're gonna open it, of course. Then you're gonna put it up. Me, I like to cheat on my lip combo. So I draw my lip wider than what my actual lips is. I go out, and I come up, and I follow my lip. And when I get up here, I'm not a professional, but if I was, I would imagine that I'm drawing a Cupid's bow, but the results may vary, I promise you. So you get up here, and then you go up, and then you go down. It's like your face is a canvas. There's no rules to makeup. If you wanna draw that shit out here, you can, but I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna clean it up later, or I might not. Okay, anyways, and you go right here, and you corner off your lip. This way you know how. Okay, I'm getting carried away. It's like massaging your lip and getting pretty. And then I like to use the Lustreglass Tint in the Posh Pit. Now it's time to apply that pressure. Okay, ready? So, start here. When I do my lip, I do not like this. Like, come on now. Like, I hate when you just go here. Like, do that. It's okay, it's a lip. Don't be scared. It's not a beak, it's a lip, okay? Go all around it. Don't be scared of your own lips. It's like now you're drawing yourself like a Tweety. You are a human. And finally, that was my MAC lip combo. And Lustreglass Tint, Posh Pit, and Lip Glazer, and Açai. I know you guys want this. Go get that.